What's up, guys? This is Brandon here at Go Kia, and today I'm going to show you the baddest truck on the planet here. We have the 2022 Ram TRX TR2 edition. Follow me to the front of the hood. So underneath here, we got the 6.2 Hellcat engine, 702 horsepower with a 376 displacement and 650 pounds of torque. Let me show you underneath here. So as you can see, we got the TRX ing a Raptor, because the TRX will demolish any Raptor on the planet here. Let me show you a little bit on the inside here. As you can see, we have the beautiful all leather interior with a beautiful leather steering wheel as well. And you'll still have your heated seats, your vented seats for all the regular casuals. Let me show you a little bit more inside on the startup. So you got right here your red start button, because this Hellcat, you need that extra power. Hear that Hemi purr. Right along here, you'll also have your launch control and your TRX mode. And of course, you have the beautiful big digital display screen just along here. Put all your settings on for you, whatever you prefer. Also along here, you see we do have the beautiful TRX emblem right along here. And as you can see, we have the supercharged 6.2 liter Hemi. Let me show you a little bit on the back here too. As you can see, we got a 5.7 box here, as well as just your regular backup camera. We'll have the automatic lift too. This truck sits higher than my ego. This truck will demolish anything on the planet here, mow down any competition. Especially in our climate here, the TRX is the truck for you. MOPAR, baby, whoa!